How to redeem Samsung rewards points. In this video, I'm going to show you additional information on redemption of your Samsung rewards points. Now, of course, the very first thing that you want to have to do is to head straight into their official site, which is going to be samsung.com, depending on your country or region. At your right side, you should be able to see this profile menu and then choose on exclusive benefits with a Samsung account so that you'll be redirected to create an account or to log in via your Google account. That's very simple. Again, join a Samsung account member and make sure to read their terms and conditions for you to be able to know how you can accumulate points. Now, for you to be able to obtain any specific points on Samsung, you just need to purchase any products available specifically on Samsung only. Next is you log in into your Samsung account to receive your points and then go into Samsung Rewards or My Rewards page so that you can keep track on how much balance you have on your Samsung account. Choose any product you prefer, and as your payment method, choose on rewards points and make sure that you have enough fund or points to use it up to the product that you will purchase. And that is how you redeem Samsung rewards points.